Why do we need multimodal technologies for human-machine conversation?
These days, we see more and more applications where machines are expected to understand what humans say or convey in context. But humans don't only convey factual messages, they also indicate what they're feeling and thinking and what social attitudes they're taking. And they communicate not only through their words, but also through other channels, through their faces and gestures. And so going forward, applications have to take these factors and communication channels into account.
Has MPAI already done something in this space?
Well, yes. Version 1 of multimodal conversation includes a sample standard set of emotions, giving the emotion names or labels like lonely and their semantics like sadness due to insufficient social contact. The intent is that a module built by party A can communicate about emotions with a module built by party B, and party B can have some confidence that they both mean the same thing, or at least a similar thing. Version 1 has a use case called conversation with emotion, in which a machine does its best to understand what a human is communicating, including the emotions that the words convey.
What is new in the MPAI MMC v2 call for technologies?
Right. Well, the second version extends the idea of communication beyond just the facts. In addition to recognizing emotions, as I just mentioned, we also add consideration of cognitive states as reactions to whatever's going on, like comprehension or confusion, and of social attitudes like politeness or rudeness. Version 2 also addresses communication channels other than words, the face and the gestures, and we also address the need for synthesizing, as well as recognizing. In other words, programs need not only to recognize what humans are conveying, but to respond in kind.
What is the advantage of the V2 technologies for human-machine conversation?
We are explicitly recognizing that people and machines should communicate not only factual meaning and emotions, but also cognitive states and attitudes as distinct from meaning and emotions per se. And this version explicitly recognizes that there are several channels for communication beyond just the words. So the standard interfaces that version 2 specifies will enable different technology providers to cooperatively assemble solutions that can in fact communicate in those ways and through those channels.
What are the likely uses of these technologies?
There's a growing demand for products that can more fully communicate with people. Our aim is to help create a market for standard technologies by defining standard AI-intensive modules and specifying the standard interfaces between them. And that way, application developers and even small or medium-sized enterprises can have a clearer path toward integration of their technologies into state-of-the-art solutions.